To create an anniversary club, you'll begin by starting on your dashboard and going to the Mobile Tools section and selecting Anniversary Clubs. From there, we're going to go ahead and select Create Anniversary Club. Once in here, we're going to go ahead and create the Anniversary Club settings. The first step is to go ahead and name it. Now you can go ahead and mark your status as active, and then you will select the time and on which day you'd like your message to get sent out. If you select before your anniversary date, you will also need to select how many days before the anniversary date you'd like the message to get sent out. Once you've selected that, now you can go ahead and determine which campaign the text message is going to be coming from, as well as the message that you want to get sent out. In here, you can also attach any coupons that you may have already have created. If you have not created a coupon just yet, that's okay. You can always come back in and edit these settings as well. Once you're happy with everything with your anniversary club, you're going to go ahead and mark it as save. Now that your anniversary club has been saved, you'll see you get this additional pop-up, which allows you to enter in the contact's anniversary dates. To do so, all you'll need is the contact's phone number and their anniversary date. Once you put that in, you're going to go ahead and select Add, and you'll see that it says the total enrolled for this club is now 1. You can also add contacts by going to your contacts page and going to the View Contacts page, and then editing any of the contacts listed. Once in this page, you'll see you now have a section called Anniversary Clubs. Here you can go ahead and add them to that particular club, and all you need to do is put in the contact's anniversary date and go ahead and add them into that club. Either method will allow your contacts to join their anniversary clubs and allow you the ability to send messages out on those very special days.